Firstly, yeah, I was very happy with the way things went outside. My plan was really clear when I went into bed. I've seen him in the last 2-3 seasons now in IPL also, and all. I've watched all of his games for international games as well. So whenever a new batter comes in, what plans he has. So obviously, I had my plans as well when I went into bat. And it was a great opportunity for me to bat at number 3 for India. And yeah, I knew that he'll come a little short at me, so I really wanted to execute that, and I was really happy with with the way things went. And about that dismissal, not really disappointed because few things are not in my control. So the things which are in my control, I try and control that. These things are just outside that, and I believe it's not in my hands. There were some butterflies, obviously, and I was really happy also when I got to know that I am playing and I'm going to bat at number 3. So I knew what I had done before, just followed the same process what I had done for playing for my franchise back home. I batted at same number, same situations. So I knew the situation really well, and I also wanted to do the same things what I have been doing till date, and didn't do anything different. Just went out and expressed myself the way I always do. When Virat Bhai got out, I think Rishabh came into bat, and he told me only one thing: if you're playing good, just try and take the game deep as possible. And that's the only thing which was going in my mind: try and bat as deep as possible, because we decided in our team meetings that someone from top 3, top 4 has to take that responsibility if it's his day, and bat deep, so it will be easier for our team to get to a good defendable total. But unfortunately, I couldn't do that. Was really disappointed with that, but really learned from it and will rectify in the next game. Yeah, I think Johnny and Ben Stokes were batting really well at that time, and it was really difficult for our bowlers to grip the ball. Even it was difficult to field as it was heavy dew outside on the field. But what I feel is the way batsmen took the responsibility of creating that energy in the field, in a circle, standing outside. I feel that was a great sight, and Bhuvi, Shardul coming back, putting their hand up, taking that responsibility in that tough situation. And we all knew that how important this game was for us going into the decider. So we decided that our energy on the field should be really high, intensity wise and everything, and we did the same things. We ticked all the boxes today in fielding department, bowling department, even while energy thing, and it worked really well. I think result was automatically taken care of.